What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the vlog. And today I'm going to show you how to change oil my car. It's a 2008 FORD EXCAPE. It's pretty much the same process with all other cars, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. So with all that being said, let's go get our hands dirty. First things first, guys, you need to heat up your engine. Why? Because it's easy to flush the oil if your engine is hot. Alright guys, let's go grab the tools that we need to use in this service. It is all the tools that we need to get this job done. Ratchet, wrench, extension, oil filter wrench. I'm using an extension because the oil filter is all the way back in the engine, so it's kind of deep to reach, so I need this extension to remove the oil filter, which is I will show you later on, guys. Alright, so what we have in here is my engine oil. So the specification of my car is SAE 5W20. So it's a synthetic motor oil, and if you use a synthetic motor oil, make sure you use a synthetic oil filter as well. So I already heat up the car in about 10 or 15 minutes, so it's gonna be ready to go. Alright guys, so normally I'm not using ramp to reach the drain plug, but today I guess we need to use the ramp so you guys can see what the heck I'm doing underneath the car, right? Right guys, we need to chock the wheels. Make sure to wear your gloves because we're going about to get dirty. And this is the drain container. Gonna use this one to catch your dirty oil. This is the engine oil cup. Alright guys, this is the drain plug. I don't know if you can see it, and this is 15 mm. I'm using a normal wrench. Alright, it's good enough. You guys ready? There you go. Ooh, that's satisfying. Look at that. Oops, some paper towel. That's the drain plug back in. You don't need to over tight this plug. A couple snags is pretty good enough. One, two, right there. All right, let's go remove the oil filter. Pull this back, and the oil filter is right there. This one. All right. We need this oil filter wrench, and like I showed you earlier, this is the extension. It's gonna be like that. Gonna be like that. All right. Hope you guys see it. Yeah. There you go. Woo. told you guys, we're gonna get dirt in here. Look at that. So we need to clean this up. Alright guys, so this is the new filter. So make sure it's identical. Yep, same for me. What we're gonna do is rub the rubber with the old oil. Okay, put this back in. Okay, you don't need to over tight this one as well. Just a hand tight is enough. Yep, that's good enough. Look at that. All right. Right, so we're done here underneath. So time to fill up the new oil. Let's go get it. My funnel. Do not overfill this one as well. Just leave about half a quart. Check your oil level. It's pretty good for me. Alright guys, that's about it. So we're just gonna go test drive this car and check if there's any leak. You'll feel the difference when you drive with a brand new motor oil, you know. It's pretty smooth. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna check real quick under the car if there's any leakage. So I didn't see any leakage. I guess we're good. That is all for today guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit the like button. Consider subscribe if you haven't yet. Till then, you guys already know. Lots of love as always. I will see you in my next video. Peace. You subscribe my channel? Hit the like button as well, okay?